So happy birthday, Vanessa and Yo-Yo. Happy birthday to Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, DACA. DACA turns 9 today. Yo-Yo, it's going to be calling you soon to have the bar mitzvah. Okay? 9 years ago, Obama, after he was not able to get the DREAM Act passed, which has been in the works to pass a generation now. One full generation. Since around the time of 9/11, that's when the DREAM Act was first dreamt, to give children green cards and a chance who came to the United States through no fault of their own, went through school here, and then found out as adults they're not welcome, they're illegal, and they should go home. Extraordinarily unfair, and what a waste of talent and an education that we gave these children. One generation ago, we've already lost a generation, Yo-Yo and Vanessa, because the DREAM Act was started by Richard Durbin. He was one of the co-sponsors, original co-sponsors, and I believe he's a senator from Illinois, right around the time of 9/11. And it wasn't passing back then because everybody thought every person who wasn't born in America was a terrorist. So it started around 2001. A generation of people lost. One full generation of people lost. So Obama, he tried to pass it. He was not able to do it. And then he made an executive order, DACA and DAPA, Deferred Action for Parent Arrivals, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. DAPA was ultimately blocked by the court. DACA survived multiple court challenges, not only by Republicans during the Obama administration, but also by the Trump administration trying to end it. And had the Trump administration been half smart, they would have ended it. They just kept bungling ending it. And quite frankly, it was the DACA executive orders that got the pumpkins so riled up and said Obama was usurping his power as president of the United States by making sweeping executive orders to allow these children to stay in America. It actually was one of the reasons that got Donald Trump into the ring to run for president in 2016. And he was claiming Obama was abusing the executive order, which is used to make a regulation. So Obama made a regulation, and he said this group of people gets deferred action, which is a law on the books. And the president was given, under the law, sweeping authority to give groups of people deferred action for those who he believes shouldn't be deported. And he gave it to children who were living in the United States as of June 2007, residing here as of June 2012, and were under 30 years old. It was supposed to be just for a few years until they ultimately passed the DREAM Act to give some kids a break. It's now 9 years later. We're still debating DREAM Act. You really can't find people. It's really hard to find somebody who says kids who came here, who grew up here, went to school here, never committed a crime. Some kids came here 3, 4, 5 years old, don't even know what their own country looks like. This is their country. They're as American as us.
Right.
Yeah.
It's still not passed. Still not passed. Now, according to the Pew Research Center survey conducted between June 4th and June 10th, 2020, 74%, 3 out of 4 Americans favor passing the DREAM Act. 91% of Democrats favor passing the DREAM Act. Goddamn thing still can't get passed.
That's wild.
Now, I will tell you this. I have met with a few young adults who qualify for DACA and are scared to enter the DACA program. They think maybe the next president is going to end it. I don't think if Trump wasn't able to end it, it's not going to end until a law passes to give you a green card. And I can tell you, for the few people who are not in the DACA program, who qualify, I am talking to the few who do not or have not applied or applied late. You can now apply late again and get into it. And for those who have not extended their DACA, I'm talking to you also. Don't be a fool. Do it. If Trump wasn't able to end it, it's not going to end until it becomes a law to grant you a green card. And you are going to be a very, very sorry person. This is exactly what I told this person the other day, who I spoke to on a consultation. I'm giving everyone my consultation that I just gave this person the other day. I said, you're going to be an extraordinarily sorry person if you say you're scared to do it. And ultimately, what's going to happen is eventually, at some point in time, there will be a law that passes, I assure you, for people in the DACA program to be granted their green cards. And I told this person, and I'll tell everybody else who's not in the DACA program, you will be an extraordinarily sorry person when it happens and you missed out. You'll be extraordinarily sorry person. So I'm saying it, Yo-Yo and Vanessa. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.